What's happening, YouTube? We are here for a 2-day stay vacation at the Riviera Resort, room 8617. But before we get into that, we're pretty excited because we have Alice in Wonderland at the end of our hallway, and we are big, huge fans of Alice in Wonderland. So let's get into this room tour. We are staying at the in a DVC 1-bedroom suite, and having recently stayed at the Boardwalk, we can already tell this is a lot nicer. It feels a lot bigger, a lot grander. It's obviously a lot newer, so we're big fans so far. You can get an adjoining room to make it bigger. We obviously did not do that. One of the other things we noticed when we walked right in is there is a hallway going into the master bathroom too. So if you have guests coming over, maybe you're having drinks, maybe you're having dinner over here, nice easy access into the bathroom. A nice full kitchen, as you'd expect from the DVC, a nice oven, nice microwave, relatively full-size fridge, everything you need. What I really liked about this, in contrast with the Boardwalk, was the automatic ice maker, because we like our cocktails. We've already got this puppy set up to auto make. At the Boardwalk, it was trays that you had to fill up. It's a first world problem, I grant you, but these little differences really help out, and I'm appreciating that, cranking out some ice later on. Really nice established sit-down area for dinner. You can fit, probably 6, 7, 8 people around this relatively comfortably if you want to have dinner in the room. Again, I love the hardwood floors here, the way they're kind of chevroned. Full-size dishwasher, coffee maker, and again, DVC is everything you'd need. There's pottery, not pottery, but plateware, bowlware, anything you need if you want to cook. There's cutlery, everything you need. And here we have a nice big, I'd say 65-inch television. This is a bed that folds down. We'll show you that in a little bit. And over here, this is also a Murphy bed. One thing I want to draw your attention to, though, is the artwork. Really pretty artwork, not just in the room, but throughout the resort. They just did a nice job. There's a lot of attention to detail here. The furniture is well selected. Of course, you've got the 100-year story of Disney book. Don't take that home. They are charging for those. They'll get you. Unlike a lot of videos that make you wait to the end to go on the balcony, we're going to get right to it. We're going to get to some of the dessert here. So here is the entrance out. Again, this is room 8617. This is a preferred view. And I think the preferred view here is going to be the fireworks later on. So there is the Spaceship Earth at Epcot. Magic Kingdom fireworks should be just down the way a little bit out there later on. And then you can see we have a view of the Tower of Terror over at Hollywood Studios. Here's the Skyliner. Then if you look over here, you can see the lake that the Riviera shares with Caribbean Beach Resort. There's a parking lot out here. 2 chairs out here and a table. And then there's also access from the master bedroom if you want to come out that way. That's also an improvement over our room at the Boardwalk, where we only had access to the balcony from the master bedroom. It's a nice little improvement there. So coming along, we moved from the hardwood floors into a nice carpeted floor in the master bedroom. One of the immediate things that popped out here was, again, the artwork, very nice artwork. And again, the little personal touches that I think a lot of you that have stayed at a Disney resort will have experienced in the past. Just these little hidden Mickeys, just an extra minute that housekeeping spends that makes a difference in your vacation. But a very nice full-sized king bed here, a nice full-size desk if you want to do some work while you're on vacation. We won't be doing any of that ourselves. Again, another nice large television, a personalized touch for the McDonald family. That would be us. It is 85 degrees today on Memorial Day, and it is beautiful. Here we have not a walk-in closet, but more space than we need for our 2-night stay, I'll tell you that. So nice shelves in there, plenty of hangers. And then we come into the bathroom, which is, I'd say, one of the center points of this hotel room. Very, very deep tub. Look how deep this goes. I'll be getting in this later on. It is a bubble tub. Beautiful marble work here on the floors. A single sink, which is fine because there's another one in this area of the bathroom. that also you guests can use. This is that hallway that I mentioned when we first walked in. And this can close off for privacy. Nice big thick door. Here is your toilet. It's not in a separate private wash closet, but that's fine. Again, more beautiful artwork, really fitting that French Riviera theme that is pronounced throughout the resort. And then we have the walk-in, as my wife said, it's a party shower. You could fit a few people in this comfortably. Nice walk-in shower. There is a handheld. There's a rain shower. Unfortunately, they both don't work at the same time. But a nice bench. And again, the floor-to-ceiling marble work. It looks really good. So we are just smitten with ourselves about this room. Really thrilled with the views. Let me walk you back out here into what is ostensibly the foyer. This is the washer and dryer. Again, we only have a 2-night stay, so we won't be making much use of this, but if you have a family, you're here for a few nights, maybe a week, maybe more, you can definitely see the value in having this in your room. And then there is one more hall closet just for that extra touch of space. A vacuum should you need it. Safe, obviously. Extra pillows and blankets, 2 sets, and an ironing board, should you be so inclined. Maybe you have a nice dinner at Victoria and Albert's that you want to get ready for. So again, that's the front door that we came in. A lot of nice entry space. And if you come back here, just like magic, the room can accommodate more than just the king bed. You have a pull-out bed here, a single, underneath the TV, with some nice old school Mickey artwork. Looks comfortable for a nap. And then the Murphy bed that comes down. And you have some wonderful Peter Pan artwork when they're flying off Peter and to Neverland. So we are extremely impressed. This looks like a beautiful hotel. We're thrilled with the view. Looking forward to having some drinks at Topolino's later on. Maybe riding the Skyliner over to Epcot for some dinner. But mostly just here to relax, have some drinks at the bar, and have a good time. Thanks, everybody.